Yeah.
And put inside this, yeah?
Yeah. What are you doing now?
I'm like taking training for cooking,
Yeah.
like for coming days.
Yeah.
I shouldn't be like dependable and
It means you know now, yeah, little bit.
yeah. I need to be more
Yeah.
like professional.
No, leave it that. You don't need to do it. It's work.
Yeah. We're done, we're done.
I think that's a longer.
Yeah, it goes down, but it's disturbing.
If not, leave it. I think Kwari is getting. Then already you cook rice.
Yeah.
Why is rice? Oh, there's the rice, yeah.
Yeah.
And what types of experience are you taking now? What are you feeling? What is your feeling now? Which is your cooking is taking enjoy or just for you is hard?
Yeah, enjoy.
With enjoy, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you happy with this work?
Yeah, I'm very happy and like satisfied.
Yeah, you are doing practical education, yeah.
Yeah.
This is the practical education. You are studying theory base,
Yeah.
only book, yeah.
Yeah.
So now it is doing practically. This is good idea. And coming days, will you cook better than this?
Yeah.
Yeah. And how are you doing like this? Who said how to teach, how to know like this to work?
Yeah. My dad helps me to do this. If he hadn't, then I think that I know it better, and I cannot be like independent, and I
Yeah.
cannot do my own job.
So
I don't
is it better or not according to your thinking to work these types of work?
yeah, it is more than better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, because if we don't learn like this, then other people think like that we are less than them and they are thinking that we cannot do anything.
Yeah, I think you must put water there. It's this is first time Sonam is cooking, so all is not managed, but also okay, because first who is going to learn and used to do that time it's not become like a professional. It is raw, but also he looks he is doing professional and everything don't catch in mind, but also he is a smart boy and which is one time she then he implement soon. This is the great I feel proud of my son, so I'm happy with him because one time I said then he is catch all and he can do himself as well. So because of that, otherwise it's same case, so many time we must teach, but to my son I didn't teach much about this, just already informally I used to say walking on the way, and if you go somewhere, and I used to show the who is working in the kitchen, That time I used to say him, you learn that you teach, you learn yourself, and when you go to practical, that time you can do easily. Perhaps because of that, it being easy for you, yeah.
Yeah.
And you are catching somewhere who is do. And always I used to teach you, yeah. I used to say, education you can keep, yeah.
Yeah.
There are things which is the education is we can keep, but if other thief, then what happened there?
Yeah, like we get punished and we be bad in other
Yeah,
and people and they don't give us opportunity.
yeah. So almost it's cook your food, yeah, now.
Yeah.
So this is your historical things. Have you ever cooked like this?
No.
No, this is first time.
Yeah.
But you also you looks professional. Okay, good. My son, you
Thank you.
keep it up more and more. You will be the professional about everything, because we must multi knowledge. You have also multi knowledge, I know, but what to do, what not to do, that is the important. And you always go to the positive way. That's the my wishes you.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
for the blessing.
okay. Do you want to say anything about this? This is the story for this is the story thing for you.
Yeah, this is my first time, but also I'm trying to do like better than others.
Yeah,
I want to be like professional.
yeah,
I want to be like get success in my life.
yeah.
That much.
Okay. So what do you want to say if someone see this video? What do you want to say?
I want to say that don't give up on anything, and we have to like if we don't know anything but also we try to know, we think that we can do, and we think that it is easy, not hard. We just that giving we don't get like this opportunity. So like that.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Okay, bye.
Mhm.